Guys, this is Shannon from That DIY Couple, and I wanted to introduce you guys to my brother Danny. Danny, can you say hi?
Ask Mom.
What do you want to ask Mom?
Burger King, please.
If we can go to Burger King is what Dan would like to ask Mom.
Please. Please.
So my brother Danny is just a year younger than me, and he is my favorite boy.
Pizza.
You want to get pizza?
Please.
We have just enjoyed a kids meal burger and fries and a large vanilla milkshake at McDonald's.
Pizza.
And Danny is politicking for more.
I want Donald.
We just went to Donald's.
Pizza.
You want to get some pizza?
Please.
We might just do that because it's been 2 years since I've been able to see Danny in person because Danny's not able to travel and
Pizza.
I have been working a lot.
Pizza.
All right, I might indulge you here. Danny,
Mom.
what's your name?
Danny. Yes.
Yes. And Danny, how old are you?
80. Yes.
He's 80. Danny is 33. And Danny, where are you from? Where are you from?
Shannon.
That's my name. Are you from Arizona?
Ask. Pizza.
Danny, what's your favorite color?
Please.
What's your favorite color, Dan?
I want
What?
Miss Pizza.
Danny is of a single mind regarding the importance of pizza.
Please.
Danny, are you looking very handsome?
And then yes.
And Danny, what do you say to those pretty girls?
Hey babe.
Hey, baby.
Steven.
That's Dad.
Steven.
What's Dad's name? Ooh. Big
Pizza. Please.
Boy. Okay.
Please.
In a minute. So Danny was born with a little bit of extra chromosomal material on one of his chromosomes, and he has a number of other issues, including hydrocephalus. So if you see here, Danny's head is a little bit bigger than my head and a little bit bigger than what is
Pizza.
considered to be the norm.
Mom.
I know.
Mom.
And Danny has what's called a shunt.
Mom.
Danny hit the button. Danny
Mom.
has what's called a shunt, which is where there's a pump inside his brain,
But
or between his brain and his skull, which pumps excess
Brittany.
water,
Burger King.
through a tube, which goes here, and then comes across his chest, and goes down into his belly, and then he's able to,
Pizza.
like,
Please.
pee it out, essentially.
I
Yeah.
want
Did you want some pizza?
pizza.
All right, we're gonna get some pizza in a second. Danny, can you show the video your money? Where's your money?
My money.
You got your money in your change pocket? How much money?
Ask Mom.
How much money do you
Ask
have?
Mom.
You want more money?
Ask Mom.
Can you show me how?
Ask Mom.
Oh, that's your money.
Ask Mom.
What do you want to ask her?
Call Mom, please.
What do you want to call her and ask her?
Ask Mom, please.
Should we ask her for some money?
Pizza.
You would ask her for some pizza.
Alright. Yes. Ask Mom. Ask Mom.
So sometimes when people see Danny, they are like, they stare.
Ask Mom.
Or they're curious, or they're sad.
Ask Mom.
But, like, one of the things that... Oh, did you just open the... open the sunroof there?
I'm thirsty.
So, one of the things that I try to explain about having a brother with special needs is that Danny is doing really good. We are all, like, super proud of this guy. Because when Danny was born, he was not supposed to live at all. My mom was told that Danny would die in utero and that she should get ready to suffer a tragedy. And then she was told when he was born that he wasn't going to make it but about a couple of days. And then they said, oh, he'll never make it to his first year.
Pizza.
And when Danny was born, Danny couldn't see or, just like all babies, he couldn't talk or hear, but we were told he would never see, speak, or hear, or anything like that. He let alone walk and attend like a school.
Ask.
What are you going to ask?
Mom.
What are you going to ask her?
Call Mom, please.
All right, we'll call her back in a second. We were just on the phone with her.
Pizza.
So, I was just saying how proud I am of you, buddy.
I want pizza.
Yes, we're going to go get some pizza.
Oh, man, yes! Yes, yes, yes! Ask Mom, please.
Okay, we're going to ask her in a few minutes if we can get some pizza, but I think she's going to say yes.
Yes, please.
So yeah,
Ask
with Danny,
Mom.
we feel like
Ask
every day
Mom.
is a miracle. And
Ask Mom.
when he was,
Ask Mom.
what? What are we going to ask her?
For cell phone.
He was blind for the first bit of his life.
Cell
And
phone.
now, crazily, his eyes have actually...
Uh-oh.
You bump your head? His eyes have
Ask Mom.
actually healed themselves somehow,
Ask Mom.
miraculously. And now he
Ask
doesn't even
Mom.
require glasses. He used to have these thick glasses.
Ask Mom.
And Danny said I want to say he said his first words when he was 5 or 6.
It's thirsty.
It was way beyond
It's
a
thirsty.
normal kid. You're okay. We just had an entire milkshake. It was well beyond the normal kid's timeline, but I mean, for us, it was like a miracle that Danny was able to speak. And now he has a pretty limited vocabulary, but he's definitely able to communicate when he wants pizza, which is the most important thing in life, right?
Pizza.
All right.
Please. Please.
And so for me, Danny is not a tragedy. Danny is a miracle. Danny is my inspiration. And having a sibling with special needs has influenced my life. Are you getting some change?
Pizza.
Are you getting some change during my heartfelt testimonial? Show me how much change you have. Show me how much change you have. Let me see. Let me see.
Pizza.
Don't hoard it.
Please.
Having a sibling with special needs has influenced my life in so many ways that it's hard to describe in a short video. But I think the overall takeaway is that... All right, let me get that change for you. Here's the last piece. That's the last piece.
Pizza.
All right. The overall takeaway is that
It's thirsty.
it's made me more calm. It's made me more patient. It's made me realize how lucky I am. Because there, but by the grace of God, go I. I could definitely have been Danny.
It hurts.
And
It hurts.
it makes me realize that I have to go for it and seize the day. It's made me more responsible.
Pizza. Please.
And it's made me feel like people with special needs are super special and important and have something to give and contribute to society. And I'm gonna get emotional talking about it, but I just can't
It's
even
thirsty.
tell you how much I love my brother and how I wouldn't change a thing about him.
Pizza.
So I think that
Please.
sometimes
Please.
people who don't have a special needs
Please.
person in their family see them as a tragedy.
Please. Please.
But I am just so delighted to be here with my brother and be able to take him to get some pizza.
Please. 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 Please.
It's a long time coming.
Ask Mom.
Yeah, I'm just really happy.
Ask Mom.
I'm really happy that he's here.
Ask Mom.
And I'm really happy that he was born in the
Ask
United
Mom.
States. Because
Ask
say
Mom.
what you want about our healthcare.
Ask Mom.
All right, buddy. He
Ask
has had
Mom.
impeccable, amazing care, and I think that care for people with special needs around the world could use improvement. But I gotta say, it's been really good here. All right, I know it's too long. Do you have a brain freeze from that?
Pizza.
A brain freeze from that milkshake.
Pizza.
I know, buddy. We gotta get you that pizza. He's had amazing therapists, amazing teachers, amazing caregivers, every type of therapy, and so many people have helped to bring Danny to this point. And he's a miracle. He's a treasure. I love you so much, buddy. Oh, you have a brain freeze?
Pizza.
Okay, let's get you some pizza. Danny, can you say bye-bye?
Bye, Stacy.
Bye, Danny. I love you so much.
Mom.
All right, we'll call her, okay? Let's call her. I love you. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed meeting my brother, Danny. I love him more than words can describe.
Ask Mom.
We're gonna go get some pizza. Come on. Come on.
Burger King, please.
We're not going to Burger King, buddy. You politicked for pizza, and that's what we're getting. You?
Ice cream.
Can you open the door for me?
I
You.
want
What?
ice cream.
All right, but you just asked for pizza, so we're gonna get pizza first.
I-
Then we'll talk about ice cream.
Please.
We'll have a discussion about it. But I don't
Okay.
know. I don't know. It would be a lot to get Donald's and then pizza and then ice cream. That would be quite a day.
No.
No, Danny, we're going in here. This one. Can you open the door for me? Can you open the door,
Burger King.
Do you want to choose a drink? All right, here's the pizza, Dan. You want a bite?
Burger King.
You're politicking for Burger King?
Please.
Yum, 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 yum.
But my Burger King, please.
Danny, first the pizza. One thing at a time.
I want
You want?
Burger King.
Yum, 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 yum.
Thirsty.
Oh, come on. You just had an entire milkshake. Come on. It's kind of hot, actually. I'm going to let it cool. All right, we got the pizza, but now he's politicking for Burger King. Should we go to Burger King and get a soda?
Soda. Please.
Yes, please. Well, if you only see you once every 2 years, we have a lot of catching up to do. A lot of missed trips, huh?
Ask Mom.
Can we justify it? I think so.
Let's see.
Time to get her?
Hey, can I just get a large Coke, please? Actually, can I get a small Coke?
What is it?
A small Coke?
Small Coke, okay. Anything else?
That's it. Are you excited, Dan?
I'll be 216, thank you.
What do you think, Dan? Are you excited?
Donald's, please.
Oh my gosh, we've already been to Donald's. We're not doing this again. All right, so the moment of truth has come. We have been to McDonald's. We have been to McDonald's and we have gotten a kids meal burger.
It hurts.
We got a
It hurts.
fry and a milkshake, and then we politicked for some pizza from Pizza Hut. Dan, here you go. Nom 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 nom. Oh. And then finally, he got me to take him to Burger King. We got a small Coke. And we were not even a second out of the driveway in Burger King when he asked for ice cream. But I gotta draw the line somewhere. I'm not gonna be the one who has to deal with your BM later. I have to have a little... Oh. Big boy.
Steven.
That's your dad. Thank you. This is my sweet baby brother, Danny. I love him so much. Say bye-bye, Dan. Can you say bye?
Bye, Dad.
Can you say bye-bye?
Cookie,
Say bye, YouTube.
please.
Now he wants a cookie. If you give a Dan a cookie. Yum, yum, yum. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of our story. Please comment down below if you have been touched by somebody in your life with special needs. If you have any questions about what it's like to have somebody with special needs in your life, me and Danny would be happy to answer them. And until next time, do well and always make things better.